Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall Nvidia CUDA in Windows. So here I am having my Nvidia CUDA version which is 9. So if you run the command nvcc version, you will be getting the current version of CUDA on your system. So I'll be showing you how to uninstall this. First thing, just go to search and type control panel, open it, and you need to go to programs and features, and here you need to just go to N, and we'll be having this CUDA thing, CUDA. So whatever and wherever the name says CUDA, just basically uninstall it, and also uninstall Nvidia Visual Studio Code things. So I'll just uninstall now. And another important thing, don't uninstall this Nvidia GeForce Experience as well as Nvidia graphics driver, because that is related to your graphics card. Okay, so only uninstall those which is related to CUDA as well as Visual Studio Code integration. So for uninstalling, right click and uninstall. So that's it. I have uninstalled all the applications that are related to Nvidia CUDA, and I'm just having my Nvidia drivers over here. So once you have done this, just restart your command prompt. So just close and open it again. And now if I run the exact same command, which is nvcc space --, version, I'll be getting an error. So that's it, I'm getting an error over here, which means we have successfully uninstalled Nvidia CUDA. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming, CUDA operations as well as AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.